Golden light paints the sky. Shadows fade, the day says goodbye. Every wave whispers slow to the horizon's gentle glow. Gentle horizon calling me near, soft as the silence, calm and clear. A place where my restless heart can lie under the endless evening sky. Winds of peace drifting free carry dreams across the sea. Every star begins to rise, guiding me through quiet skies. Gentle horizon calling me near, soft as the silence, calm and clear. A place where my restless heart can lie under the endless evening sky. No fear, no time, just open space. The gentle horizon, a warm embrace. Let the night take its gentle flight, leading me into the healing light. Gentle horizon calling me near, soft as the silence, calm and clear. A place where my spirit learns to fly forever beneath the evening sky. Softly it shines through the endless skies, guiding my soul where the silence lies. Moments of calm drift into